Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to discuss exercise 2.5. Let us start. See question number 1. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 minus 1 by 4. So, in this question, what will be the first step? The first step is to bring the terms containing x together. Now see, x by 2, this x by 3 is with positive sign on the right hand side. When it will come to the left hand side, it will become negative. X by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to, this is plus 1 by 4, and then this minus 1 by 5 is with negative sign on the left hand side. When it will go on the right hand side, it will become plus 1 by 5. Right? Next is to take the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into x is 3x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into x is 2x. Now LCM on the right hand side is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 5 ones are 5 plus 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 ones are 4. 3x minus 2x is x. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. So x is equal to 9 by 20. This 6 will go on the right hand side and it will get multiplied with 9. So 2 3s are, 2 10s are, x is equal to 27 by 10, or we can write it as 2.7. Now let us discuss this question once again. First step is to shift the term containing the variable on the left hand side. Right? X by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4, and this minus 1 by 5 shifting to the right hand side will become plus 1 by 5. Then after taking the LCM 6, we get 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into x is 3x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into x is 2x is equal to LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So 3x minus 2x is x. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. 6 will go on the right hand side and will get multiplied with 9. After doing the calculation, we get x as 2.7. Now see the second question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Now we can see all the terms containing the variable are on one side. Right? So what will be the next step? The next step is to take the LCM. The LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So whenever you take the LCM, then always take the LCM in the pair. So we can see the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. The LCM is 12, right? If you know that the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12, then you can write orally also. But if you are finding out, then better to find it in the pair only. So now 12 is the LCM. So now 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 into n is 6n minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 into 3n is 9n, or we will write this step 3 into 3n plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 into 5n is equal to 21. Now 6n minus 9n plus 10n over 12 is equal to 21. 1. Now all the terms are like, so 10 plus 6, 16, 16n minus 9n over 12 is equal to 21. Then 16n minus 9n is 7n over 12 is equal to 21. This implies n is equal to 21. 12 will get multiplied with 21 and 7 will get divide. So 7 ones are 7 threes are, n is equal to 36. The value of n is 36. See again, first of all we have to take the LCM. So we took the LCM of 2, 4 and 6, that is 12. Then after taking the LCM we get 6n minus 9n plus 10n over 12 is equal to 21. Then this is positive, this is also positive. So 10 plus 6, 10n plus 6n is 16n minus 9n over 12 is equal to 21. 16n minus 9n is 7n. 7n over 12 is equal to 21. So n is equal to 21. This 12 will get multiplied with 21 and 7 will get divide. So 21 into 12 over 7 and we get n as 36. See question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now again we can see here there are two terms containing x. It is on the left hand side and one term containing x is on the right hand side. So we will bring this term on the left hand side, right? So we will write x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6. 17 by 6. This plus 7, when it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 7, right? So what we have done, we have brought the terms containing x on one side and without x on the other side, right? Now we will take the LCM. LCM is 6. Here we don't have any denominator. It means the denominator is 1. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 into x is 6x minus. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 8 is 16x. Right? 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 into 8x is minus 16x. Plus 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 into 5x is 15x is equal to 6. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 into 17, 17 minus. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 into 7 is 42. Right? Now beta, now see. This is positive, this is positive. 15x plus 6x. 21x minus 16x over 6 is equal to. This is negative, this is positive. So when we have one number positive, one number negative, what we do? We subtract. 42 minus 17 is 25. But 25 will be of minus sign because we are having the bigger number with negative sign. So minus 25 by 6. 21x minus 16x. It is 5x over 6 is equal to minus 25 over 6. Now x is equal to minus 25 by 6. 6 will get multiplied and 5 will get divide. So now 6 get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 5s are. This implies x is equal to minus 5. So see again what we have done in this question. The first step is to bring the terms containing x on one side and without x on the other side. Then by taking the LCM we get 21x minus 16x over 6 is equal to minus 25 by 6. Then after cross multiplication, we get the value of x as minus 5. So beta, all the 3 questions you have to do in your fair notebook, right? And the next questions we will discuss in our next class. Take care. Thank you.